just got this package in the mail from Velvety Vibes, handmade with love. So cute. Let's see what I ordered. It was a while ago. I forgot what I ordered. But she had a special on some body products. Okay, your girl having a hard time here with the one hand. It's wrapped good too. So let's see. I'm just trying not to turn it over because my address is on there. And she got it packed in there. Oh, cherry bomb. Whoa. Cherry bomb luxury whipped body frosting black cherry tonka and bean almond. Okay, so I guess I got two of the same kind. And then here's the thank you card. I really appreciate you buying homemade. And then let's see if your girl can open it. Well, hold on one second. It smells really good. This is what it looks like. And it's real fluffy. Nice. I love supporting YouTube friends. Her channel is JaVlog, JaVlog, and her business is called Velvety Vibes. So this is what it looks like. Looks like we got a little air in here from the packaging. But yeah, made with love. Too cute. Check it out if you guys are interested in homemade products. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.